Hi guys, this is Crazy Kitchen and today we are going to make this beautiful banana chocolate cake. Okay, now let's start the recipe by separating 3 eggs. If you want to make your cake a little bit more dense, you can add 2 extra egg yolks to this mixture. Okay, now we have to whisk the eggs until it forms soft peaks. Okay, now I am going to add approximately 200 grams each from butter and sugar for my mixing bowl, and I am going to mix it now. Now let's mix the mixture until it gets creamy. Try to use butter at room temperature because it will make mixing easier. Now we can add the egg yolks to the mixture one by one. Now when you are done mixing, add the egg whites into the mixture. Now for extra creaminess, I am going to add a half a cup of milk to this mixture. Three teaspoons of baking powder to this mixture. Now mix it well. When you are done mixing the dry mixture, add it into the wet mixture and mix it well until well combined. Then add the cake mixture to your desired baking tray and add the bananas, layer the bananas onto your cake beautifully. Now add the remaining batter onto your baking tray. Now even it out nicely. Now dip small pieces of chocolate into your cake. By this you will make sure that when you cut the cake, it melts nicely. try to put it evenly as possible. Now bake your cake at 180 degrees Celsius and make sure you have preheated your oven for at least half an hour. Okay guys, this is the time we all have been waiting for, the taste test. Nice and soft, just the way I like it. So guys, if you like my recipes, please leave a like and subscribe.